Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to view your Amazon billing statement. This is really helpful when you need to track your purchases, review charges, or keep records for budgeting or business expenses. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Next, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This section is where Amazon keeps a complete history of everything you've purchased, making it easy to track and manage your billing information. Now, although I don't have any orders showing up right now, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do next so you know the process when you have orders in your account. Once you're in the Orders section, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases displayed on the screen. Browse through this list and select the specific order you want to review. Clicking on it will take you to the detailed order page where you can see all the information related to that purchase. On the Order Details page, look for the option that says View Invoice or simply Invoice located under that order. Click on this option to open the billing statement. This document will show you all the important details, including the itemized charges, taxes, shipping fees, and the total amount you were billed for that order. It's essentially your official receipt from Amazon. If you need a copy of this billing statement for your records, maybe for accounting purposes or just to keep your finances organized, look for the Print or Save option. Clicking Print will allow you to print a physical copy, while Save lets you download it as a PDF file to your computer or device for easy access later. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and saved your Amazon billing statement, making it simple to keep track of your spending and maintain organized records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.